Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has the best marketing team I have ever seen. They are the first self-made meme coin specialist. I felt sometimes they were con artists, but they pulled it off and they made one of the biggest unbelievable story of meme coins in the last bull cycle. And now, what they have done is they have taken the story to the next level. They created an ecosystem called Shibarium. And you visit their website, you see a lot about what they are. Now, I am not going to discuss today about the fundamental values of Shiba Inu because I still believe Shiba Inu is the perfect meme coin. Now, many people believe Bong or Vif will come back and haunt Shiba Inu and take over the place. And there's a good possibility. I'll explain the reasons later. But compared to Bong and Vif and COQ and many other meme coins, I like Shiba Inu for one interesting reason. That is, they are present in Robinhood. Bong will soon be present in Robinhood. So that's the reason why many people are considering Bong will overtake Shiba Inu. But we have to understand one important thing. The coins like Shiba Inu or any meme coin has more stability when it exists in the world for a longer time. What happens is there are people who are early investors, we call whales. They hold huge bags of the coins in their hand. And whenever they get an opportunity to sell, they will sell down and go. And they are true professionals. If they can get too early into Shiba, or WIF or any other such a coin, they are much smarter than you. If you're listening to my channel, I am guessing you are either a beginner or a fundamentally safe player who do not like to take too much risk. And ironically, I am talking about meme coins here. I am starting with meme coins for a reason because I want to educate more on meme coins before they get educated on other things so that they play safer. Uh, I don't want people getting into things which are too risky, and it's okay to get in, but I want you to understand the risk. For example, I tell people Shiba Inu cannot be $1. Many people who do not know crypto, they just look at me, and because they strongly believe Shiba Inu will be $1, I have many reasons to explain to them. But so I want to educate people on meme coins to start with, so that they don't get into trouble later. Anyway, coming back to Shiba Inu, I'm not looking at Shibarium and their many tokens they listed down there because I'm not getting into Shiba Inu's utility. People say Shiba Inu is a currency in many merchandise businesses, and Shiba Inu has got a lot of utility potential. But that's not the play I am going to get into Shiba Inu this time. Shiba Inu is the perfect meme coin. And what is meme coin? Today, meme coin is the uh, main bloodline of cryptocurrency. For example, Solana. Solana is pumping to 210, 220 today because of coins such as Bong and BIF. And they realized it. I have seen when I was in a Solana meme coin group called Red. Red is a Solana meme coin. Please don't go and jump and buy it unless until you read about it and listen, hear about it. Just because you heard it in this group, it's not an opportunity to go and buy it. You need to do due diligence before you buy things like that. So I owned Red. But when I was in Red, I realized Solana team is trying to push many coins like Red, right? All the meme coins they exist in Solana, which has got some popularity. Solana team is going, visiting them, and motivating them, and probably dropping some coins there for free, basically buying it. So I saw the same trend with Avax too. So these folks, they realize meme coins will increase the volume of the platform, and eventually that will bring all the bullion games and popularity, all those things will go up. Many people get into Solana, transfer money from Coinbase to Solana platform and start trading it there. So there are many reasons why companies like Solana or foundations like Solana and AVAX promoting these kind of tokens. And one of the reasons why Matic is not picking up is because of the lack of meme coin. And Matic has some meme coins, but they're not really doing well. But anyway, so meme coin is something that you need to pay attention to because that's where you make quick money, right? So Shiba Inu, let's see how it's going to perform this season. Uh, it's a meme coin narrative, and if you do not know what narrative means, let me try to make a humble explanation. There are narratives such as Shiba Inu, Layer 2, AI, Deepin, metaverse, NFT. So, in one narrative, every coin that's in the same family will go up, right? For example, render is part of a Deepin narrative. Render is also part of an AI narrative. That's why render is flying because it's part of two narratives. And remember, at 1 week, you will see one narrative is going up and everything around that will go up. So when Shiba Inu goes up, you will also see Doge going up. You will see WIF going up, Bond going up, and everything else, COQ, and many other coins going up. So when you see that, that means meme coin is jumping up. And when it goes up, probably 100% up, people will exit and jump into the next narrative. And you do not know which narrative you're going to jump into, right? And that's the main problem with capital rotation. But you have to have a strategy. When a coin goes up in one narrative, a narrative goes up by 50 to 100%, you have to have a gradual plan to jump from that to another. Anyway, Shiba Inu is part of the meme narrative, and meme narrative has first run already, and it's most likely they're gonna have an alternate narration jumps. For example, next I don't know which narrative is gonna jump next, right? Solana Avax, it came back. That was in the very beginning, and it's coming back, and they're jumping. After that, probably they're going to repeat some narratives. But at that same time, Matic and things like will also jump. So there is a narrative we need to be really watching for. Shiba Inu is part of meme coin narrative, right? It's going to be leader of meme coin narrative. So anytime any meme coin jumps, you need to watch out for Shiba Inu. You need to have a little bit of Shiba Inu always in your hand. I don't believe in Shibarium and deflationary tricks. There, I think it's a salesman's trick. I appreciate it. They are doing excellent marketing. I love them, their marketing, and whatever way they can bring this value out and show to people and show the narrative. Good for them, good for us, good for me. I like it, but I don't want people to start believing these stories that is sold by companies. These are just stories. Just go after the meme value of it. Buy, sell, make money, exit. Now, current price of Shiba when a Robinhood investor sees it, it's 0.00002. So when they look at it, I can buy no Bitcoin with $100, but I can buy millions of Shiba Inu with a small amount of money, right? When they see it, they immediately, okay, let me put $10 in. Let me put $20 in. So if you go and interview 10 Robin Hooders who invested in crypto, all these 10 people must have given $5 or $10 in Robinhood. Somebody said, okay, invest in Ethereum, and they probably go invest $1,000 in Ethereum. And while they're doing it, they put $10, $20 in Shiba Inu. Now, I can bet many of these 10 people don't have a single Bitcoin, and they don't have many other good valuable coins like especially expensive side. What they don't understand is the market cap. Market cap is the most important aspect in any token, any coin, right? Not the price. But these Robin Hooders, they don't understand anything about investment. They don't understand stocks. They just go with their dinner party friends, say, oh, go buy this, and they buy it. Now, this is the reason why I'm investing in this, right? These people, they do not any investment knowledge. I'm betting on them. So I'm going to invest in Shiba Inu. So that's a interesting thing. Now, this current value, that's 0.20002448, looks attractive to me. This is a right now price in Shiba Inu in a coin market cap. This is really attractive to me, right? Um, However, you got to understand this. In my previous video about Doge, I demonstrated the uh, downtrend, right? If Doge goes down by 30, there's a possibility of going down by 30%. But if you really look at the chart of Shiba Inu can actually fall down so bad, right? If it falls down, it just went up like that because of certain rumors about Robin Hooders and certain promoters pumping. That's why it went up. And there is something going on in the market. I'm not paying too much attention to those details because they can derail us. As far as Shiba Inu is considered, no fundamentals, right? I don't learn anything. Some signal comes in, it goes up. Some promotion goes up, it goes up. I watch the volume. If volume coming down, I sell a little bit. Volume is interesting, I keep like that, right? And that's how I do Shiba Inu. But if you really look at it, if Shiba Inu falls from this current level, it can fall back to 15 or probably 10, right? 10 is a very less possibility. And if you look at the rating, it's 11th ranked in market, so in coin market cap. Now, I typically don't like anything 11 and above or the 12th and above because they will come down one day, right? Shiba Inu will become 25, position 25 one day. But Shiba Inu is currently in the narrative. Go with it. So I think it's okay to buy now. Uh, Market cap wise is 14 billion. It's huge market cap. I want to talk about the market cap, but remember, I'm going to give you a very detailed presentation one day, 1 hour, 2 hours, how full details about every aspect of Shiba, But this is sweet, right? Sweet and short. Today, I recommend no financial advice, just education. I would buy a little bit today. I'll buy more at 20. I'll buy more at 30, right? Those are my indicators. Go and buy in Coinbase or Robinhood, Binance. If you buy in Robinhood, you have to transfer it out to a decentralized stock exchange, which is cheaper, like KuCoin, and do all the transactions there, sell and buy there, and bring it back to Robinhood. Because every time when you sell Shiba Inu in Robinhood, they take huge commission out of you, and they don't tell you the spread is internally managed. I think they outsource the spread profitability. Somebody else is making profit. They get a lot of commission. So watch out for how when you sell and buy and sell in Robinhood. But remember, when you buy Shiba, you have to understand the foundational knowledge about capital rotation. If you're not prepared to sell Shiba Inu when it hits certain points and take the profit, you will lose money. This is not a coin that you want to hold forever. Right? You want to get in, get out. 3 months, 4 months, get out, right? This is my sale point. I sell a little bit at 45, little bit at 55, little bit at 80. I gave the same indicator last season. Nobody cared about it, right? Now, after 80, I will hold probably 30, 40% of my Shiba Inu still with me, right? And I will try to sell maybe a little bit in between 80 and 180, but I will sell all of it but 180 by 180. And remember, when it becomes 180, the total market cap of the coin goes up so big. It's 14 now, right? So it could be 8 times more than 14 billion, and that could be more than 100 billion, and which I don't think um, is that's probably at the borderline, right? I don't think it will go above that in this season. Many people, Robinhood is especially believe Shiba Inu will reach $1. No, 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 no. It will never reach $1. And I had to argue with some of my friends that it will not reach $1. So those friends, please look at my face and read my lip. No, big no. Shiba Inu cannot reach $1. We are talking about 20 trillion market cap. People who do not know what a trillion means would buy it. I think Shiba Inu won't even close to $1. Okay. Please understand market cap. If you don't understand market cap, you believe in this um, uh, the idea that Shiba Inu will be $1, and you will fall, you lose all your money. So when I have given the guidance here, if you like my financial education, not advice, financial education, follow this, you might make some money. Else, you will lose it all. You will hold Shiba Inu for $1. In the next bear season, you will cry out loud. Not loud. Maybe you will cry. Or at least you will weep inside your heart. I can tell you that. Disclaimer, no advice. I am not eligible. Okay. This is a pure meme coin play. Don't look at the fundamentals. People will start telling you and selling you all the fundamentals about Shiba coin, how great Shiba coin is, how Shiba coin is going to solve the water problem in South Africa, how Shiba Inu is going to solve the green revolution problems, whatever. All those stories. Do not fall for it. Go for the meme concept of it. Shiba Inu is going to be a winner. You get into the wagon of Shiba Inu, it will take you to success as long as you sell on time, right? Does not matter when you buy. You can buy it now. All the money that you have, I mean, 1% of your entire portfolio, 1% of your entire portfolio. Do not put a single dollar more. The entire portfolio, 1%, put it into Shiba Inu, it will grow. And when it grows, you take profit out because every time Shiba Inu grows double, it becomes 2% of your portfolio. So you have to take a little bit of profit out. Book the profit, go with the journey. All the best. You can make it, right? It's going to be temporary. Timing is everything. Okay. Buy some Shiba Inu. And did I ever ask you to subscribe my channel? Please subscribe, like, and the uh, bell button. Yeah, bell button. Please. Thank you. Make money, make money, make money.